Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about input tax credit. In short form we say ITC. Goods and services tax is considered as the biggest reform in India. However, one thing that has become the talking point is the mechanism of input tax credit under GST. Uninterrupted and seamless chain of input tax credit is one of the key features of GST. Input tax credit means at the time of paying tax on output, you can reduce the tax amount you have already paid to input and pay the balance amount only. In simple words, we say the amount of tax which is paid at the purchase in time when reduced from liability payable on outward supply is known input tax credit. In next slide. The whole basic concept is designed to avoid cascading effect. Cascading means tax on tax. Okay, when tax on tax is implemented, then we call this is cascading effect. Okay, so mainly ITC is designed for avoiding cascading effect. Applicability of ITC. So ITC will be available on these things: input goods, capital goods, input services. Next, these are key definitions. Input means any goods other than capital goods used or intended to be used by a supplier in the course of furtherance of business. Furtherance of business means it will be again available for sale. Input services means any services used or intended to be used by a supplier in the course of furtherance of business. So furtherance of business is very, very important. Furtherance of business means goods or services will be available for resale. This is input service distributor. Next slide. Input tax. So input tax we include these all things. And finally, input tax credit means the credit of input tax. Okay, we call input tax credit. The definition of input tax credit is given in CGST Act Section 2 and Subsection 63. This is one example I mentioned related to input tax credit. So here transaction Mr. A and Mr. B. Okay, both are performing transactions and selling 10,000 rupees goods and thereon GST 1,200 rupees and total payable amount 11,200 rupees. Okay. So we will pay to Mr. A in again resale example Mr. B and Mr. C transaction. Sale 15,000 GST 1,800 rupees and total amount payable 16,800 rupees. Mr. C will pay 16,800 rupees to Mr. B and Mr. B will take 15,000 rupees and deposit 600 rupees only because 1,200 rupees he has already paid. So this we call input tax credit. Thank you very much.